Okay, he must be really dirty. Ew, you smell. Oh. No, no, no. I think she thinks it's my father. Ugh, I need to get the, here, ah! Come here, please. Oh, oh, you're cute. Yeah. What's going on around here? Yeah. I can't get some sleep. Oh, okay. Oh, look. Oh. I need to get up here. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I'll just stand here, not like Charlotte. Oh, it's so cute. Move out of the way. It's girl stuff. Fine, fine. Oh, what do you name it? I think it's mommy. Well, get out of the way, boys. Okay, let's keep it in case it's lonely. Yeah. Let me get some like food or something. Wait here. Gee, she really is interested in cats, isn't she? Yeah. Got you some biscuits. Hello, you two. As you can see, we have a little cat here. Kitty. This is our pet, Kitty. And today, we are just gonna like take care of it. Meow, meow. Stop hitting it, Sarah. I'm just petting it. Meow, meow. Oh, whatever. Meow, meow. Hey, come back. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, come back, come back. Oh no, the cat, the cat. What? Oh no. Here, little cat, we're not gonna harm you. Here. Meow. It's okay, cat. We're not gonna harm you, kitty. Yeah. We're not even gonna harm you at all. Where's Charlotte? Okay. So, let's go to the middle. Oof! Such pushing me. So, this is our little kitten. Meow, meow. Okay. Well, let's go home. Yeah. Kittens go. Bye. So this is the second video, and this is called MLP, the Lost Kitten. My YouTube. Kitty, kitty. Bye. Oh, say bye, kitty.